Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the underline phrase only in Microsoft Word. So guys, let's say we are having the task to create this audition form that contains the name, address, email, and mobile number. So, and also you can actually add the underline manually here to let the people fill their name and the rest of the data. But I think it's gonna take your time really a lot. So, and it will take a long time to create it and it's not really effective. So don't worry guys, because this video I will show you the trick. I will delete this underline first. And after that, I will select this data and I will give the right click and click the paragraph. And after that, it will show you the dialog here or the options, and you will going to the tabs here, and there you go. For the tab stop position, this will allows you to stop the underline, let's say in the centimeter of 9, 10, 11, etc. So for this example, I will stop the underline until the centimeter of 10 and here, and I will go to the leader. Since we would like to create the underline, then we will choose this option number 4. But if you would like to choose another option, then you can choose or select this option of number 2 or number 3. But since we would like to create the underline, then I will choose this option number 4 and give it the OK. So the first step we will do, as you can see, is not appear over here, but don't worry guys, because we just need to click the tab for this section. So I will show you. For the name section, I will click tab, and there you go. It will stop in the centimeter of 10 over here. And so does the address. Click tab. There you go. The email and mobile number. As you can see, all of them or all of this underline has been stopped in the centimeter of 10. So it is pretty interesting, right? So don't worry and don't forget to practice it into your, let's say, your laptop or PC, and please let us know if this tip and tricks also work for you guys. So that's all from me, and if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't be hesitate to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give the like and also subscribe this channel to watch more another tutorial video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.